and this is my implementation. So here's this file demo that
This is from my machine or your machine?
your machine,
Okay, good.
but I put it on his machine. Yeah. So this is the file that I want to upload on my Google Drive. So this is the content of the file with the change that you want to see, famous quote from Mahatma Gandhi. And so here's the service. So let's just run it. All right. So it's now running. Okay, so in general case scenario, you will see the keyword finished here. It's now showing converted. So like I modified it to give me a flag that okay, this is successful. So now we want to see the output. So for that, let's stop the service because we don't want to decrypt it. Oops, it's because HTTP request is stuck. So the file content is encrypted on the Google Drive. So this was the original file.
So where do you store the password?
It's on my machine, local machine, client side.
And could you have
Keys.
different machines that all access the same file?
So that is what remains to build. I mean, definitely we would like to make it more extensible and so that,
Okay.
yeah.
But it's an easy thing to do, it's not that complex to do that.
So this is the encryption. Now let's see if it can decrypt it. Let's run it again.
So Mohit, I guess while you look up, maybe let's get you done first, then let's ask you a few questions.
There's a bit problem here. I think because in my function of encryption, decryption mainly, there's a problem. So it's because of symbols. The transfer of data, it's working, so it's mainly with the symbols. So let's put some other content in my file just to test it. It's just It is the same thing. Where's the same thing?
So the audio says.
It's saved?
Yeah.
Let's run this one. Okay. All right. I just wanted to show that, I mean, because there's a implementation error in my function, it is not reading those special characters. So, but it can decrypt it. I mean, if the function, I have to correct it, but otherwise, like it was cat chases the rat. It was on the server, but so on the server, it still is cat chases the rat. But when you are seeing it, it showing you. I mean, ideally, there should have encrypted stuff on the server, and it should have shown you the exact text. But yes, it anyhow decrypts it. So there's a problem with my decryption function that remains to be sorted. But yeah, it works in sense the channel. So there are other services also, calendar and all. We can do that thing, but that's pretty much the same.
Very good.
So I think the question would be, once you have the thing built up, how much latency does it add? reality. Like the fact that you're encrypting and storing a large file, like what happens to latency of, let's say, uploading a file and then of accessing? Are those within acceptable limits for people? And if not, then can one choose an encryption algorithm which will enable it to be at least reasonable?
Yeah.
So that will be a set of things that we'll have to look into. Is search working or not working yet?
Depends. Let's give it a try.
You have code for it, right?
I have code for it, but again.
Yeah, it's not really.
Okay, so it catches the Red Hat is on server. So we want to search the keyword which is on our side. So just give me a second. I have to run it again. The point is we are using a third-party proxy server right now. So it sometimes breaks down because I don't understand the code of it, the third-party implementation.
You mean Fiddler?
Fiddler, yes. So if we somehow, I mean, if we can build our own HTTP proxy server, that would be even better. Okay, let's first see what's the content inside it. So we want to search, let's say, DBU. Okay, let's give it a try. I have to start it all over again because Fiddler creates the problem. Let's hope. No. I think the errors, it's working because it has not thrown any error, but again the function
did not work out.
Yeah, I mean the encryption function we have to work
We have to
on.
look
Otherwise
at
the
that.
code would have broken if there would have been.
I think the
Okay.
string was DIBU, so
Sorry?
are you sure it was DBU? I thought it was DIBU.
DIB, let's give it a try. I don't know.
I'm sorry, I
No, that's not my personal.
didn't want to bring you in.
No, that's not
Nobody
my.
has seen that, right?
Why should not be memory?
This is my content. I don't know from where that's coming
I
from.
really thought it was DIBU. Probably read something.
But you get special mention for demo on the fire.
It's somebody else's shared folder. That's mine.
Don't worry, we are putting you on the spot to do a demo here, but yesterday in the faculty summit at Microsoft, 2 of their 4 demos they were doing on the spot also failed. So it's like, and this
Murphy's law, you know.
I mean, I think it's partially successful.
That's what they said.
Okay, thank you